How big is the robotics market? The robotics market is a massive economic force and its size is constantly changing. While no expert can know its exact value in real time, the most prestigious market research firms have already adjusted their projections to reflect the exponential growth of recent years. To understand how this figure is reached, it is crucial to know that the valuation is carried out through a process of analyzing and aggregating data from multiple sources. Analysts track the revenue generated from the sale of robots, components, software, and related services worldwide. The market is segmented into different areas, starting with industrial robotics, which has been the largest and most mature segment. Added to this is service robotics, which is divided into professional robots used in logistics and medicine, and personal robots like autonomous vacuum cleaners, which are driving exponential growth. By summing the revenues from all these categories, a total market value can be determined. According to the most recent data, it is estimated that the global robotics market value already surpassed $55 billion in 2024. From that figure, the market is projected to maintain exponential growth, with a compound annual growth rate of around 14%, exceeding $110 billion by the year 2030. This massive growth is driven by key factors: advances in artificial intelligence and sensors that make robots more versatile, the reduction in costs, and the popularization of business models like robotics as a service, or RaaS. This, along with the growing need for automation to improve efficiency and safety, has triggered its adoption in almost all industries, from agriculture to healthcare and retail. In short, although the exact number is a projection, the magnitude and constant growth of the robotics market are a fact. It is a massive economic force that is transforming entire industries on a global scale.